Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices, earphones charged and your phone or computer with Bluetooth on or the correct jack accessible. Pairing reduces glitches. Connect wired units fully until a click or solid fit happens. Once connected, set system volume to about 30 to 50% to avoid sudden loudness. Make sure any equalizer presets are neutral. That isolates source issues. This first step prevents damage and gives a stable baseline to adjust sound accurately as you proceed. Now you handle the detailed source settings that shape sound. On your device, pick the earphones as the output and verify the sample rate matches 44. 1 or 48 kHz for music. Mismatches can muffle audio. Once done, turn off automatic enhancements so you can control tone, then apply a simple EQ, boost or cut 100-300 Hz for bass and 26 kHz for clarity. Also inspect the app volume and Bluetooth codec. A better codec reduces compression and improves finish by refining sound with critical listening and small adjustments. Play familiar tracks across bass, vocal, and high-frequency content. Make plus or minus 3 to 6 dB EQ changes. Small moves have big effects. Check left/right balance and swap ear tips for seal and comfort. Fit changes bass response significantly. If you encounter distortion, dropouts, or imbalance, restart devices, repair Bluetooth, or reconnect the cable, and install firmware updates. These steps resolve most problems and restore correct audio behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.